Hi there guys and girls, Judy in English, every one of you. I'm here in Mega Mall. I'm gonna catch up for a movie night out. I'm gonna watch The Strangers Chapter 2. There's no longer showing in Cubao and in Santa Lucia. That's why I'm gonna check in here if there's a still showing for The Strangers Chapter 2. I've been longing to watch for this movie. I know that this is I just really want, this is a good movie. I just really wonder why is it that in Cubao and in Up. I just really wonder why is it that in Cubao and in Santa Lucia it's no longer showing the Strangers. Okay, here we go. Cinema. Hi. Shy. Say hi. Hello. What's your name? She's kind of a shy. Anyway, just let's call her Lovely Elevator Girl. Anyway, we're here now. Thank you. Oh, I wish that there's still The Strangers. Oh god. Oh my god. Hi. My Strangers. Chapter 2. The Strangers, Chapter 2.